Bullish sushi swap cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $7.34 and $15.98 by 2030. Market examiners accept sushi could reach $7.34 by 2025. Bearish sushi swap market cost expectation for 2022 is $1.30. Sushi swap presentation. Sushiswap is a decentralized trade based on Ethereum that permits clients to exchange ETH and ERC20 tokens. It was made by a mysterious engineer known as gourmet expert Nomi. The task started as a fork of the famous Uniswap convention. Sushiswap utilizes a liquidity pool model in which clients can store tokens to procure exchanging charges. It likewise boosts clients to give liquidity by giving them prizes as sushi tokens. These tokens can be utilized to decide on administration choices or consumed for a portion of the stage's exchanging expenses. The Sushiswap group has been reprimanded for its absence of straightforwardness, as well as claims of insider exchanging and misappropriation. In any case, the undertaking has kept on filling in prevalence and stays one of the top DES on Ethereum today. What is Sushiswap? Sushiswap is a decentralized trade on the Ethereum blockchain that permits clients to exchange ERC20 tokens. It was made in September 2020 by a mysterious designer known as gourmet specialist Nomi, and later procured by FTX Trade. The vital element of Sushiswap is its utilization of the robotized market producer model, which permits it to give liquidity to its clients without the requirement for request books. This makes it a lot less difficult to use than customary DEXs, which can require complex exchange orders and can be hard to explore. Sushiswap likewise offers a remarkable impetus structure for liquidity suppliers, who can procure sushis, the local badge of the stage, in return for giving liquidity. This gives a continuous income stream to LPs and assists with keeping the stage chugging along as expected. Sushiswap key examination. The Sushiswap convention utilizes a variation of the Dutch sale component to decide the cost of every token exchanged. Sushiswap is based on the Ethereum blockchain and uses similar security systems as other shrewd agreements conveyed on Ethereum. These security instruments include cryptographic marks. Every exchange submitted to Sushiswap is endorsed by the source's confidential key. This mark can be confirmed by anybody utilizing the shipper's public key. Transaction expenses. All exchanges submitted to Sushiswap cause a charge, which is paid in ETH. These charges are utilized to pay for state changes made by the exchange, like refreshing equilibriums or adding new requests. Netting. Sushiswap uses an improvement procedure called netting, which decreases the quantity of state changes expected for each exchange. This streamlining helps keep exchange expenses low and diminishes blockage on the Ethereum organization. Security. In spite of its prevalence, there are a few worries about the security of Sushiswap. These worries come from the way that Sushiswap is a moderately new undertaking and has not gone through as much evaluating and testing as a few different tasks in the space. Moreover, there have been a few cases of bugs and weaknesses being found in Sushiswap's savvy contract code. While these worries are substantial, it is essential to take note of that Sushiswap has done whatever it may take to work on the security of their foundation. For instance, they have carried out a bug abundance program to boost scientists to report any issues they find. Furthermore, they have employed a few trustworthy evaluating firms to survey their code. As Sushiswap keeps on developing, almost certainly these security concerns will be moderated. Sushiswap current cost. Sushiswap is at present worth $1.63 USD. Sushi has moved 3.86% as of now with an exchanging volume of $208,790,288. Sushiswap is at present positioned 134 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $212,455,900 USD. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Sushiswap market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Sushiswap value expectation 2022. Sushiswap, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The sushi cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $2.45. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $2.28 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Sushi is supposed to have a base worth of $1.96. Sushiswap value forecast 2023. In 2023, Sushiswap sushi cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of sushi will before long outperform $4.08. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the sushi's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, sushi will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $3.26 and a typical exchanging cost of $3.59. Sushiswap value expectation 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $5.71 and sushi might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Sushi is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $5.22 and a low of $4.89 in 2024. Sushiswap value expectation 2025. Assuming Sushiswap effectively helps market opinion among digital money fans, the sushi coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, sushi will be green in 2025. The sushi is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $7.34, with a base cost of $6.52 and a typical cost of $6.85. Sushiswap value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the sushi cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $8.48 by 2026, with a base cost of $8.15 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, sushi has a greatest value worth of $8.97. Sushiswap value expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $10.11. On the off chance that sushi figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $10.60. Neglecting to accumulate the help sushi needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $9.78. Sushiswap value forecast 2028. While sushi is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $11.41 and a yearly cost close above $12.23 in 2028. Sushiswap value expectation 2029. By 2029, Sushiswap will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $13.04 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $13.86, averaging out at $13.37. Sushiswap value forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest sushi cost in 2030 is projected to be $15.98 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $15.33. And, taking everything into account, the Sushiswap project has